My name's Tim Dolan. I'm the Chief Winemaker here at Kaesler Wines. The biggest challenge we faced here at Kaesler was that the infrastructure around that to deliver the cooling was set up and at the initiation of the winery, so over 20 years ago. On top of that, another challenge was I was seeing through our solar system that we were exporting over 20% of our solar output to the grid. So I felt that through the use of this new refrigeration plant, we could capitalise on that through some new technology, and that happened to be frigid.
One of the key benefits for adopting a platform like Frigid Cloud is that you can start to take control of your energy use. The price of energy is hard to control, but if you can control how and when you use energy, you can start to empower yourself to at least protect your bottom line as much as you can from the rising input costs around us.
Since installing Frigid, we've seen close to a 50% reduction in cost for our energy. It wasn't weeks and weeks of infrastructure development. It was very simple, streamlined. We could bolt on to the existing hardware, which we found fantastic. It wasn't a massive overhaul of the whole winery. We were able to utilise a lot of the old infrastructure, which was running totally fine. It was a matter of just bolting on Frigid's system, which again made the cost of the infrastructure really appealing for a small and medium-sized business such as ours. On top of that, usability has been fantastic. So everyone in the team can use this product and pick it up, and within an hour they understand exactly how to use the app and use it really well.
Obviously having access to the data, which historically a lot of places don't get that sort of granular data. Through that process, not only troubleshooting things and uncovering things, but being able to understand in real time what's happening in your tanks from anywhere remotely is a real key. And then having the notifications that alert you if something's gone out of spec can be a real insurance benefit.
I guess sustainability is at the heart of everything that Kaesler does. So to be able to utilise solar energy in a more effective way rather than exporting it back to the grid was a massive bonus for the winery, and it helps build our sustainability goals. I think if you have a clear plan in mind and a clear goal, that Frigid can really achieve that outcome no matter what size you are. The payback period for the Frigid Cloud technology is going to be around 3 years, but a lot of that's to do with the infrastructure. Once that's paid off, the system is basically going to run net neutral against the savings that we're having from electricity, which will be ongoing. So that's given the business and our accountants a lot of confidence in being able to invest in Frigid Cloud.